Looking for a fun little project that's quick, useful, and super cute? Hey guys, it's Beth Deer here with the Deer's Embroidery Legacy, and in today's tutorial, we're going to stitch up something sweet for summer, an in the hoop watermelon napkin. It's perfect for your next barbecue, a picnic table, or even just as a cute little gift. Now, this is a super fun and simple project that you can stitch in a 5x7 hoop, and the best part, it looks impressive, but it's super beginner friendly. Let's dive in. So here's what you'll need to get started. A 5x7 embroidery hoop, no-show mesh stabilizer or cutaway stabilizer, a 12x12 inch napkin, a 3x3 inch piece of applique fabric, and this is for the watermelon, a 1.5x3 inch piece of applique fabric, which will be for the rind, some painter's tape, some temporary spray adhesive, some fabric scissors, and your double curve scissors. We're going to start by hooping a piece of cutaway or no-show mesh stabilizer tightly to your hoop. Load the hoop onto your machine and stitch the placement line, and this will show you exactly where the napkin will have to go. Remove the hoop from your machine and lightly spray the back corner of your napkin with your temporary adhesive spray and line it up with the placement line. Next, we're going to pop the hoop back onto your machine and run the tack-down stitch to secure the napkin in place. The machine's going to stitch a placement line for your first applique, which is going to be the rind. And after your placement line is done, you're going to take your 1.5x3 inch fabric piece and put that over the line and then run the tack-down stitch on top of that. After that's done, you're going to remove the hoop from your machine and carefully trim around the rind fabric. Make sure you do not cut into the stitches. After this, your machine will stitch a placement line for the watermelon body. And you're going to take your 3x3 inch fabric and put that over that outline and just tape down the edges of your fabric. You're going to return the hoop to your machine and stitch the tack down line around that. After that's done, remove it from your machine and you're going to trim around that piece of applique fabric as well. Okay, and now we're going to let your machine do the rest. So it'll start stitching out all the fun little details, including those adorable little watermelon seeds. And when it's finished, we're going to remove the hoop, we're going to take the napkin, and gently remove the tack-down stitch. So I use white thread here just to make it easy, and I find the easiest way is to snip one end and then pull out every other loop. After you remove the tack-down stitch on the napkin, you're going to flip it over and trim away the extra stabilizer from the back. And that's it. You've got yourself the cutest summer napkin around. Whether you're setting the table for a backyard dinner or wrapping it up as a handmade gift, this little watermelon napkin is sure to make someone smile. And just a heads up, this project is available to all of our Design Club members using their credits, so if you're a member, go grab it and start stitching. And if you make one, be sure to tag us because we'd love to see how you create it. Thanks for watching and happy stitching!